This is my 97 XK8, and I want to see if anyone could help me with an issue I'm having with it. Me and the girlfriend got home the other day from a shopping trip, and as soon as I put it in reverse to park, and then once putting it in park and turning the car off, the key would not come out of the ignition, and a bunch of loud beeping was coming from, I assume, this speaker here. And normally when that happens, it's from what I understand, the car doesn't believe that it's in park. And usually if I move the shifter a little bit like that, it will stop doing the beeping. But this time the beeping didn't stop until about 10-15 seconds later, and I still couldn't take the key out. So after taking this piece out and putting a screwdriver in and then putting the car down into reverse, it wouldn't go all the way into neutral, but by putting it out of park, I eventually got the key to come out. But since then, the car will not start, and it does, and I'll just let you see it here. Alright, so when I go to start it, foot on the brake, nothing. And once I try to flip it over again, it won't let me. It's like it stops. And of course, no play other than here in park. And I've read for some posts and say there is a check engine light that's still on there, but I don't know if that's if it normally does that or not. I haven't really checked that, but and there's the beeping sound. And it typically does this when I stop at a store somewhere and the car is on a slight incline and it doesn't believe that it's in park, but sometimes it does it when I bring it home. But the key will come out. When I originally did this and we came home, the key would not come out at all. So just a very, very weird thing. And you know, I have unplugged the battery or the negative terminal, left it unplugged for several minutes, plugged it back up, had to reset the windows, and the car still will not start. And I have not tried putting it in neutral yet to see if it will. I've read some things online that it has something to do with a PNP or a neutral park and neutral sensor. So if any of you all could help me out with this and let me know, give me your opinion on it, what I need to do. This car is actually under a warranty, but it only covers the drivetrain. It doesn't cover any of the sensors or anything. So before I go diving into getting a new sensor, if anyone might be an authoritative source on this, hopefully you can help me. So thank you.